Hello friends. Welcome to my channel HVAC-R Engineers. Be professionals.
Welcome friends. This video, we're going to see about how to select the correct HVAC air filters. What are the factors to be considered when selecting air filters? Air filters are used in HVAC systems to improve air quality in indoor working environments. They can also serve to protect the HVAC equipment. Effective air filtration provides the primary defense for building occupants and HVAC equipment against pollutants generated within a building, as well as pollutants from air drawn into a building from the HVAC system. That's why selecting the right HVAC filter is so critical. With today's higher standards in filtration, it's possible to produce cleaner, purer air, and reduce indoor air quality problems. There are many types of air filters on the market. Here's a look at some of the factors to be considered when selecting the air filters, other than price. When selecting the air filters, consider some of the below factors. 1. Filtration and dust removal efficiency. 2. Dust arrestance and dust holding capacity. 3. Pressure drop. 4. Atmospheric dust spot efficiency. 5. Based on applications. 6. Types of filters. 7. Filter size. 8. Moisture resistance. 9. Temperature limitations. 10. Flammability. Filter selection based on efficiency, which is how effectively filters are capture the pollutants. This should be one of your first considerations when selecting a filter. Most manufacturers use the MERV rating system in quantifying air filters' efficiency in capturing both microscopic and macroscopic air particles. The MERV system, which is used both domestically and internationally, is based on a filtration scale from ASHRAE of 1, lowest, to 16, highest. New ISO 16890 standard filter efficiencies will be determined based on particulate matter size, classes PM1, PM2.5, and PM10, apply nowadays for selecting filters. Filter selection based on arrestance, which is how much dust will the filter need to collect. It is designated as a percentage. The arrestance of the filter, or ability of a filter, to remove synthetic dust is calculated based upon the known weight of dust fed into a test unit under controlled conditions, and the amount of weight added, or captured by the filter. This is very important factor. Filter selection based on pressure drop, which is how much airflow is restricted by the dust. This applies to indoor air quality when we talk about air filtration. When air is drawn through an HVAC system with a filter installed, that filter will create some resistance to the airflow. As a result, the difference in air pressure in the ductwork on one side of the filter versus the other side of the filter is what HVAC professionals refer to as pressure drop. Make sure you take pressure drop factors into account and select filters that match the features and capabilities of the given HVAC system. 1. Increased pressure drop, which causes decreased airflow. 2. Increased pressure drop, causes of increasing fan horsepower. 3. Increased face area, will reduce pressure drop. You should select an efficiency which will provide a clean enough environment for your application whilst ensuring an acceptable pressure drop. Filter selection based on dust holding capacity, expressed in grams. Dust holding capacity measures the amount of dust that a filter can hold. Synthetic test dust is fed into a filter, and the final capacity is based upon the amount of dust held by the filter. Filter selection based on atmospheric dust spot efficiency, designated as a percentage. 2 procedures can be used to calculate dust spot efficiency, which is the ability of a filter to remove atmospheric dust from the air. Both the intermittent flow method and the constant flow method rely upon white filter paper as a target, and the ratio of light transmission. Sampling of atmospheric air is conducted at 25%, 50%, and 75% of dust loading, and at final resistance. Traditionally, engineers and designers have used the terms 30%, 60%, and 85% filters to indicate which type of filter to install. These terms refer to the dust spot efficiency of the filters. Tip: when evaluating the dust holding capacity, it's important to compare dust holding capacities between filters at the same final pressure drop to make an accurate comparison. Filter selection based on filter size. What size of filter do we require? Unless we have the proper size of air filter, we will never enjoy the full effectiveness of our system and filter can provide. Simply look at the label of your existing filter to see the proper measurements, or just measure it ourselves. Typically home air filters are 1 inch thick, but there are numerous standard width and height dimensions, and some systems have thicker filters. Filter selection based on types of filters and its applications. 1. Fiberglass filters. 2. Pleated filters. 3. Pocket filters. 4. Electrostatic filters. 5. Carbon filters. 6. HEPA filters, and ULPA filters. In addition to the performance factors, measured under ASHRAE 52.1 and 52.2 standards, consider these additional variables when selecting a filter. Moisture resistance. How high humidity and moisture affect the filter. Temperature limitations. How the filter performs at application temperatures. Flammability. How the filter performs in flammability tests. Check to see if UL Class I or Class II rated filters are needed to conform to local building codes. Thank you all. Please like and comment the videos. Share my channel with your friends. Subscribe my channel for more updated videos. Thank you. See you next video.